koutou. Hi, my name is Allyssia.
And what are today in school? I'm Kaylee. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our 2, the 17th of March.
Okay, we start the day with sports news. There is no have-a-go cricket this week for year 1 to 4 students. Sorry, Central Athletics and Mrs. Hume is at CSC.
Still, a few items of sports gear being left out at the end of lunch and playtimes.
Please return all equipment to trolleys. Kia ora.
Okay, on to Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is ngutu, which is te reo for lips.
Ka pai, HiViz Vests. Nearly all students are now wearing their HiViz Vests. Remember, every day to and from school.
Library news. Remember that next week is book fair week and the library needs as many colouring posters completed as possible.
Please have all your entries into the library by Thursday. Kia ora.
A notice for all students staying at school this afternoon. Please report to the library after lunch.
Colouring in time.
Okay, no birthdays at WINTON School, so that's the wrap for today.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kitea popo.
Haere rā, WINTON School.